In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download ClickUp app for free. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the official download page and grab the installer for either Windows or Mac, quickly and safely. Start by opening your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, whatever you like. In the search bar at the top, type ClickUp download. Take a second to check your spelling so you get the most accurate results. Press enter and you'll see a list of links. Look for the official ClickUp website in the results. It should clearly show the ClickUp name and typically uses the clickup.com domain. This matters because you want to download the app directly from the source, not from a third-party site. If you see ads at the top, you can scroll past them to find the official listing. When in doubt, hover over the link and make sure the address points to clickup.com before you click. Go ahead and click the official result to open the ClickUp download page. Once you're there, the site will highlight the desktop app options. You'll usually see separate download buttons for Windows and for Mac. Choose the one that matches your computer. If you're on a Windows PC, select Windows to download the installer, which typically comes as an .exe file. If you're on a Mac, choose Mac to download the .dmg file. Click the download button for your platform and your browser will start the download right away. You may see a confirmation pop up asking where to save the file. If so, choose your default downloads folder or any location you prefer. Keep an eye on the download progress in your browser's downloads bar or panel. Depending on your connection, this can take a few seconds to a few minutes. If the download doesn't start, refresh the page and try clicking the button again. Also, make sure any pop-up blockers or strict privacy extensions aren't stopping the download. Another helpful tip is to avoid public or untrusted Wi-Fi when downloading apps, just to keep things secure. Once the file finishes downloading, you now have the ClickUp installer for your system saved locally. You're all set and ready to move on to installing it whenever you're ready. To recap, open your browser, search for ClickUp download, click the official ClickUp link, and then click the download button for Windows or Mac. That's all there is to it for downloading the app for free.